Hello, I'm Daniel. This is Madison. We're back with Daniel's DIY today. We're going to be building a computer desk, or like a table, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be plywood top with 2x6 legs. Then we're going to do like a little shelf on one side as well. This is all just done with scrap wood, which is I got it for free. I got an old pallet that has the plywood top right there, and then I got a crate from, I got a swing set shipped in. They shipped it in a crate and had a bunch of 2x6s and whatnot. So I'm using the 2x6s from that. Just an old 2x4 that I got for free at a yard sale. They were just giving it away. So all this is free. The only thing I'm paying for is the screws and the. I'm gonna paint it when I'm done as well, so I'll be paying for that. Tools we're going to use: tape measure, got a couple different types of screws, power drill. You can do it with a screwdriver if you really want to, but it'll take you a lot longer. And a circular saw. You're going to use this to cut the 2x6s and cut the plywood off of that crate. Alright, let's get started. Yeah. And we're going to use this little level as a guide for making a straight line. Wind shut the door. I got scared Madison. And another marker to mark your lines that you're going to cut. We're going to make this desk going to be 30 inches tall. We'll mark that. So you want to check and see what part of the board is the best. You want the best part to be on the bottom because that's where you're going to see it the most. Top is going to be hidden a little bit by the tabletop. Countertop. Here, this one, over here. Right there. Mark it right there. Right here. Straight line. Alright, now we're going to start cutting. So make sure your blade is deep enough to cut, but you don't want to go too far deep. You don't want to go too much past the board. We're going to make our cuts. I see you guys staying back here for now. Okay? Can't get loud. 1.5 feet wide.
Oh, do the
We got our straight line there. Oh, Madison, grab the camera. Okay, we got our straight lines. Now let's start cutting. Okay, now that we have the tabletop cut out and we have our 2x6 legs cut, this would be easier if you had 2 people. But I'm by myself right now. My wife's inside with Emma.
Emma.
So I'm going to attempt to do it by myself. I think I can do it.
Here, yeah.
Do 3 screws per leg through the top. actually going to use a little bit more of that crate. Got some 1x6 or 1x4s. I'm going to use on the back here. Just to support the legs. When I'm cutting, I use the desk as my measuring tool here. Just want to make sure the legs are level at this point. We're going to take these little support boards and put them on the edges here. Use a 2x4 here as a little, what do you call it?
Papa.
I want them to be about 2 inches
Papa.
around the supports.
I see more.
Make sure the legs are level before you drill them.
Hey, you. Sheesh. Here. Down. Yeah. Oh. No.
So there it is.
No.
All put together. I got the supports on the sides. Support in the back. Nice and sturdy.
No.
Yeah, I was going to do a shelf here on the right side, but decided not to do that. Just going to leave it like this, just kind of basic. It's good enough for our computer and our printer on here, and then whatever other office supplies we need to put on here. Yeah, now I've got to get the sander out. I'm going to sand it down with some 50 grit sandpaper, get it nice and smooth, and then I'm going to either stain it or paint it. I'm not sure. I'm going to ask the wife, see what she prefers. I'm thinking probably going to paint it, maybe white legs with maybe like a black top, but we'll see. We'll get to that in the end of the video here. Here is the final product. Painted the legs white and then the top a dark gray. I think it turned out really nice. Just kind of a rustic, modern look. I like using old recycled pallets just because it's free wood and gives it a nice character. It's kind of a one of a kind. It's not going to be perfect, obviously, because it is a used wood, but I like to recycle whenever I can. So if you like recycling old pallets, go ahead and follow the channel. I will be doing another video similar to this with an old pallet. Not a desk, but I have another project coming up. But yeah, I like using old recycled wood. Gives it a new life. So hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Keep on doing it yourself.